Californians continue to feel the fallout of the home insurance crisis, with hundreds of thousands of people getting their policy canceled this year.
And now those without private insurance are also finding it hard to get liability insurance.
Fun.
On your sides, Christine Lazar is here now with what this could mean for homeowners. It's just rough out there.
Yeah, not a lot of namaste in the insurance market these days, and it's really tough. And at the end of the day, you can no longer find a good deal, right? You just need to find some coverage. And that's where a lot of people are stuck because they've given up trying to find something affordable. They just can't find anything to cover them. A Woodland Hills couple haven't been able to fix their home after a tree fell on their property, causing extensive damage nearly 2 years ago. The reason? They haven't been able to find liability insurance, and their struggle highlights another facet of the insurance crisis in California and across the nation.
This massive 150-foot tree came crashing down during a winter storm in February of 2023, landing on the stairs that provide the only access into this Woodland Hills home.
When the tree fell, it fell directly on them and broke every single one of the steps, and in fact flipped one of the sections up into the air.
Kevin Mojirati shares the hillside home with his husband. After the storm, they filed an insurance claim and assumed they'd have the repairs done within weeks. But then their private insurer dropped them, and they had to go on the California Fair Plan. But that only covers fire loss.
The other insurance that we tried to get came to the house and took pictures and said, well, there's construction happening on the house. We can't insure you.
And when the couple's contractor went to file the necessary construction permits, they were told by the city that they must provide proof of liability insurance because the city owns an easement on their property, thereby holding the city harmless for any injury or damage associated with the private encroachment. So for the past 20 months, the couple has had to use temporary and not very stable makeshift steps to get to their front door.
When you look at this every day when you walk up and down, what goes through your mind?
Why is it taking so long? It's just stairs. This is just concrete. It's an easy pour. It would take maybe 3 days to fix this.
Liability insurance is complicated to get in general right now.
Independent insurance agent Carl Sussman says what's happening to the homeowners in Woodland Hills is not unique. Across California, the insurance crisis is making liability coverage hard to get and hard to afford.
If you're getting a standalone policy, it's the most expensive way, unfortunately, because you're not bundling it with anything else. And you might be looking at somewhere between $1,000 to $2,000 to get $1 million policy.
And not getting it could cost you even more.
If I have a liability loss and somebody sues me, I could be looking at paying out literally millions of dollars.
Mojirati says living with the broken stairs means they rarely have others over to their house because they're afraid someone might get hurt.
You're scared anytime anyone comes to your house, even the pizza delivery man.
Sussman says those